how to export an image in SVG format. It's a very simple, and all we have to do is follow along. So without any further ado, let's dive right in. Make sure first you have logged into the Figma account and you are into the file that you actually want to export. So first thing first, you have to choose the image or any of the frames or element you want to export. Let's say I'm going to export this one. And once you've selected the image, go to the right side and you can see this panel. Go to the very bottom, you can see the option of export and hit that plus icon. I should did it twice, so no worries. And there's the option of PNG. Tap into this bar over here and you'll be provided with all this option like PNG, JPG, SVG, PDF. We are going for SVG format, so simply select SVG. And now all you have to do is hit that export cloud lightning, hit that export button, and a prompt will appear. All you have to do is tap in the folder you want to save into and simply hit that save button. And yeah, that's it. This is how you export images in SVG format. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials on Figma. And yeah, thank you for watching.